All right, so the ajax is now working. So when we add, let's just say, oh god, look at that freaking address, LM005 at this old address. So that's updated. We can see that here is LM005, and this one might be tough to see for you guys, but let's change the M, which was a lowercase m for Miami, to make it uppercase, and rerun it. And that's it. There you go. So let's change a couple of things. So now that we've confirmed that that works, and let's, oh wait, we have to super easily fix that, which is beautiful. Very happy about it. And then we'll do name. This is going to be St. Mary's. I got barbecue sauce inside my shift key, so I hardly ever use this keyboard. The barbecue sauce will do that. Anyway, what we want to do is, I want to say, I said, okay, that fixed it, thanks. Now when people add locations, how can I just reload the current page instead of redirecting them to a different page? Maybe it's somewhere in, I'm gonna guess in the post function for add location. That's gonna be my guess, is that this should be add dash location. That's my guess is how that's gonna fix, what will fix that. Let's see. We'll go here. And we'll do John user. Don't want to save add location. Johns Hopkins 223 Hospital Road. Let's add that location. There you go. Unreal. Alright. So that's fixed. Wow. Now we can add machines. So we have to do all this with machines. I'm going to just call this in one video. Now we have the add location functionality finalized. And now we're going to move on to machines with all of our locations. Catch you in the next one.